Hello people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are having the very interesting topic of classification of hotels. You have seen the first part of the video which was very well explained by my friend Pratiksha. Today in this video you will learn about the classification of hotels on the basis of location and on the basis of target market. Before starting the video, I would like to recapitulate about the term hotel. A hotel is an establishment that provides a paid lodging on a short-term basis. When the hospitality sector was under development in the past time, it consists only room with a bed, cupboard, a small table, and a washstand. But with the development of the hospitality industry, the rooms are replaced with the modern facilities including ensuite bathrooms and air conditioning or climate control. Basically, the hotels are divided into the various categories which are based on size, on the basis of location, on the basis of clientele, length of stay, on the basis of facilities offered, on the basis of star and many more. In this video, you will learn about the classification of hotel on the basis of location and on the basis of target market. First, on the basis of location. Downtown hotels. These are the hotels known with others names such as city center hotels, commercial hotels. These are the hotels which are located into the center of the city or the heart of the city. These are closer to the business centers, shopping places, restaurants. It basically focuses on the moneyed guest who can pay the higher prices for a room. These hotels are basically highly priced and have a luxurious architecture. Second, suburban hotels. These are the hotels which are located outside the city or away from the city on the outskirts. These hotels have the limited facilities. It focuses on a cost-conscious guest, have the lower room rates and attracts the groups and the families. Third, motels. Motels are basically located on the principal highways and road junctions. These are the one-story or two-story building, have lots of parking space, focus on road travelers with their own vehicles, have bed and breakfast facilities with one restaurant of sometimes bar. Airport hotels. Airport hotels are basically the hotels which are located near to the airport. It offers the facilities of a comfortable sleeping, have 24 hours in-room dining services, focus on layover passengers, have a moderately priced room rate, and have a shuttle coach from a hotel to the city. Resort hotels are basically located on a natural or a man-made sites such as mountains, beaches, seasides, forests, etc. These are generally seasonal in nature. These cater the people who want to relax and enjoy. Forest hotels. As the name suggests, forest. These are the hotels located near to the forest. It offers safaris, usually have one dining hall, have other sports activities. These are basically highly priced during to the seasonal time. Floatels. These are the very interesting type of hotels which floats over the sea level. Example of these are cruise ships. It offers 5-star hotel services, caters to the rich and affluent guests, offers indoor space for a sports recreation facilities, extremely highly priced. Everything is located within the cruise ship which floats onto the sea level. That's why named as a floatels. Boatels. Boatels are the basically hotels which floats on a lake. Example, houseboats in Kerala and shikaras in Kashmir. It offers 2 to 3 rooms cabinet. It attracts basically couples. No food and beverage facilities are available on board. These are basically moderately priced. Rotels. Rotels are the another interesting category of the hotel which are basically on wheels. It offers the five-star facilities, charged from one points and at the same points. Means the point where you are starting your journey you will return at the same point. It has a sightseeing facilities. It is highly priced. Examples are Maharaja Express Place on a wheels in India. Another category we will learn about is on the basis of target market. First are the commercial hotels. Commercial hotels are basically designed on a European plan. European plan is basically type of a meal plan which offers only the room stay. Another things is not included in these facilities. Caters businessman who is traveling for the business purpose situated in a busy commercial areas. Example is Oberoi Towers, Mumbai. Conventional hotels have a large conventional complex. It caters people attending the conventions conference who is traveling for a business purpose for attending the seminars or to the meetings, etc. These have the large conference halls, huge registration areas, large lobbies, huge dining halls. Suite hotels. Suite hotels are the basically the types of hotels which offers a compact kitchens. Caters to the people relocating act as a home away from the home. It basically provide a feel of a home and basically for the people who are the long staying for more than months or the years. It provide the kitchen facilities suitable for the executives during a longer business days. Timeshare properties. Timeshare properties are the basically properties typically involve the individual who purchase the ownership of a accommodation for a specific period of time, usually 1 or 2 week. These owner then occupy the unit during that time. Owner may have the unit rented out by the management company that operate the hotels. It basically have more than one owners means multiple owners. Condominium hotels are similar to the timeshare properties. The only difference lies is the ownership. Units of condominium hotels have one owner only instead of multiple owners. In condominium hotels, the owner informs the management or a company of when he or she is going to occupy the unit. That way, management company is free to rent the unit for the remainder of the year. Timeshare and the condominium owner receive the revenue from the rental of a unit and pay the management company fee for advertising. Hope you have understand the different types of categories of hotels. If you are having any questions related to these, you can ask your queries in the comment section. Please like, share, and comment on our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep supporting. Thank you.